question carries 10 marks, it is a 40 marks. 60 marks for us. And coming to the section C, the having of questions are 13 and 14. But to write only one question, the question carries 20 marks. This is the section C. See, now coming to the our described book manual consisting of 4 blocks. From 4 blocks, each block 1, okay, block 2, block 3, block 4. This is consisting of block 1. It is block 2. This block 3. Is block 4. That means from each block you may get 2 questions, short questions. Each question carries of 5 marks. Means if you are thorough with the one block, you will get the 10 marks here in the section A. Now it is coming to here also. This is block 1. Is block 2. Is block 3, is block 4. So, if you are thorough with the only one block, here you will get the 10 marks, here we will get the 10 marks, 20 marks over. Now, here this is 13 question, it is comes to first and second block. And 14 question is third and fourth block. See, observe that one. By seeing of the section C, you may understand that if you read 2 blocks out of 4 blocks, if you are completely thorough with the 2 blocks, you will get the marks are. If you are thorough with the out of 4 blocks, you are ready with the 2 blocks, means you can get the 4 questions, means 20 marks. You can get the 2 questions, here the 20 marks, 20, 20, 40 marks. Here you get the 20 marks, 60 marks easily you get. If you are thorough with the only 2 blocks, 50% of the syllabus. If you are thorough with the 50% of the syllabus, you will get 60 marks. The maximum marks. 80% of the marks we can score it in this examination pattern. So in our particularly our open university system consisting of very flexible examination pattern will be there. Very, very easy pattern. So you may understand that to get the good marks, already you wrote 4 SEMs up to now. You may having of the idea how to get the good marks. See, this is the pattern. You take that one. The pattern is there, so try to understand and get the good marks in the examination. Why? Because it is a last year, 5th and 6th SEMs, we are getting off that one. So better to score good marks. So scoring of this one easily when you are thorough. Why? Because most of the students will be, sir, after the finishing of our syllabus also give the important questions, sir, that you are asking. No need of important questions, no need, nothing to worry about that one. Just thorough with the either 1, 2 blocks or third and fourth. Which blocks you need? You are familiar in the previous studies. You will go through the syllabus point of view. Let us complete the examination pattern. So first you understand the examination pattern. You can easily understand what syllabus, what blocks we can read to get the good marks. So I hope we can, out of 4 blocks, we can read thoroughly 2 blocks. You will get the 60 marks. Out of 80 marks, you will get the 60 marks. This is the examination pattern. See why? Because you will get the short questions, you can write all the short questions. Why? Because only 4 short questions you can write. That will appear from the first and second, that is a 2 blocks. 4 questions will appear. And here you can write the out of 4 questions, you can write easily 4 questions, 2 questions. Out of 4, 2 questions you can able to write. Here, 1 question is 1 question also write. Only here in this section be 2 essay type question you may not. Why? Because we are thorough with only 2 blanks. That only left. Remaining 60 marks you can complete. Out of 60 marks, if you are covered, you can write the 60 marks. Means you may get minimum 50 marks. Because you may won't get the full 10 to 10 marks or 5 to 5 marks or 20 to 20 marks. You will get the minimum. If you are cutting off the 2-3 marks for every question, you will get the 50 marks out of 60. That is a pattern of this examination. Okay, so friends, here we are having up our core chemistry core subject, that is having up the pattern is the inorganic, organic, and physical chemistry. We are having up this chemistry is inorganic, organic, and physical chemistry. Some general topics will be there, that will be main important ones. This is your examination pattern of that one. So, first thing is try to go through your book. This kind of book is given. In that book, the first contents are there. The blocks are given. Each block consisting of 3 units are there. Each block is consisting of 3 units, means total 12 units are there. If you are thorough with the 2 blocks, 1 and 2 or 3 and 4, whatever you want, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, that will be you are prepared well, means you will get the 6 units you can cover. By the 6 units, you will get the 60 marks. No, sir, I want the total syllabus. You can 1, 2, 3, 4 block. You can suppose thoroughly, but you are getting of the knowledge, simultaneously you are getting of 80 marks. That is the important of this particular examination pattern. I can understand. So I hope that you can understand this pattern of the examination. So each year, if you see the marks, this is the pattern of the marks we visit. Within the 3 hours, you can easily write your examination pattern. This is the question marks. That means you can write. See, most of the students are writing both the questions 9A and 9B. You can validate, that means which one is getting the more marks. You can only that marks will be valid. But try to understand that one. Write any one. Which one is the best one? Best answer you have. That only you select. Why? Because time is very precious. You can write down 4 essay question, 4 short answer, 1 very big answer. Okay, that is about the 300 to 400 words answer. That is a very big essay type question. 20 marks it will be. Sometimes in this 13th question, you may having of the splitting of the question. A and B will be there. So you can write the minimum 150 words, means you are having of that 300 words. A, B, maybe something a big question will be there, diagram will be there. So all the basis of diagrams, maybe because you are having of the spectroscopy, NMR spectroscopy, visible spectroscopy is there. Okay. So UV spectroscopy, you can schematic diagram, you can draw the diagram. It will take 15 to 20 minutes. That will be first A question. The next instrumentations, what are the fundamentals, what are the principles is lying in that ultraviolet, that is particularly visible spectroscopy, that you have to carry a B question. A and B question will be there. So that plan it first of all. This is a pattern of the examination. Okay. So we will go to what are the units, what are the blocks we are having now. So in this black one, this black one is organic pots. Okay, so friends, in our basic index, we are having now the 3 units are there. 1, 2, see how you can, by knowing of the syllabus also, that is very important. This is the unit 1 is the coordination compounds. It is a continuation of the 4th sem only. There is a coordination compound 1 is there. Here the coordination compound 2 is there. Okay. Bonding in metals. Second unit is and third is metallurgy. Principles of the metallurgy. Principles of metallurgy. These are the 3 units in the black one. Okay. So if you take black 2, if you are taking the black 2, it is organic parts. That is the organic parts. So in this organic part, we are having of the units 4, unit 5, and unit 6. So unit 4 is heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds. And unit 5 is we are having of the amino acids and proteins. Amino acids, proteins. Okay. And the 6th unit is vitamins and hormones. So you are having of the 6th unit is vitamins and hormones. See, if you go through these lessons, see friends, already there is a continuation of the first unit coordination compound in the 4th cell. It is repeated. Bonding in metals. So first 2 units very simple. If you are eliminated also, nothing to worry about the coordination compound. It is an extension of the coordination compounds 1. There is a complex compounds formed. What is the stability of the complex compounds? How the ligands are there? How the chelate compounds are there? What is the central metal atom? Why it is active? And in the bonding in metals, how the bonding is there? Valence bond theory is there. How the valence bond theory, lithium is bonded with the other atoms. How they are taking concept. In this main bonding in metals, mainly Ohm-Rutherford principle is there. Ohm-Rutherford ratio is there. That is a important question every time asking in the examination, the 5 marks question. And the main third unit is the principles of the metallurgy. Here the principles of metallurgy consisting of essay type questions. Mostly 3-4 questions are there. That means extraction of the pure metals. Extraction of pure metals are there, nickel, thorium, uranium, like that we are having of the extraction will be there, and purification of the metals, how the what are the process are there, that will be there. So this is a very important lesson in this black one is unit 3. Now coming to the organic parts. So these organic parts, they are having up heterocyclic compounds. It's the extension. Already you know that aromatic hydrocarbons, among that one, only hydrocarbons, not only the hydrocarbons, heterocyclic means we are having of the another, not homogeneous molecules. Hetero means other than the carbon and oxygen, hydrogen, you may having of the nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur or halogen. Those are called as heterocyclic compounds. Next, amino acids. You know that amino acids, our body is consisting of the amino acids. Without amino acids, you can't sustain. So our body is consisting of 26 amino acids are required for sustaining our life. In that 25 amino acids, 16 amino acids are prepared. 16 amino acids are prepared by body itself through the diet. Some 9 essential amino acids that will be taken by the yourself through the diet only. 9 amino acids are called as essential amino acids. Those we are to write. what are the amino acids. Okay, so that amino acid preparation properties, how they are there, what are the units, the properties of the amino acid. Next, proteins. Proteins are nothing but the building blocks of the amino acids. Only the protein you are taking that one, it will be duty of the hydrolysis, you will getting of the amino acids. Amino acids will be sequence of that one, you are getting of the sequence of the DNA and RNA, that is the production details. This is a continuation. Next, vitamins. Already you are familiar with the vitamins. What are the essential vitamins in our body consisting of? You are having of the micronutrients, that is the vitamins. Vitamins are very, very useful. You are having A, B, C, D, okay, E, K, and H vitamins are there. These are the vitamins classification. Classification is based on that one, so that you are getting of the you get either. Next, hormones. What are the hormones secreted by the human beings? Pituitary gland, master gland, is the pituitary gland. Okay, secretion of the insulin will be secreted by anacrines, whatever that one. So hypothalamus, we are getting of the what are the secretion? These are the topics in black one and black. If you go to the black. So this black is the physical chemistry. Now we are having of the physical part in this. First is the thermodynamics. Okay, that means particularly already it is a continuation of the fourth sem. Thermodynamics one is there. Here the continuation will be thermodynamics. That is the thermochemistry. Unit 7. Thermodynamics. 8 we are having of the electrochemistry. Nine is having of the photochemistry. We are having of the photochemistry. There is a lab. And this that will be there. Okay, this is a total physical point of view. That means theory will be there. What is the Carnot cycle? Here only the important one is the Carnot cycle. Adiabatic process. What is the adiabatic process? What is the isothermal expansion will be there? Electrons. What is the EMF? We are calculating the EMF. What is the photochemistry? Photochemistry means in the presence of sunlight is a drastic conditions. We are getting of the some reaction will be proceed. What are the Lambert, Bayes law, like that we have to use in the photochemistry. This is about the third. Now the black food. Black 4 is a general chemistry. Here, page 10, 11, okay. Unit 11 is ultraviolet, that is UV spectroscopy. Okay. UV and visible spectroscopy. This is a new black, is a new black to you. You are not familiar. These are three units, three blacks are you are familiar with that. Particularly thermodynamics, not electronics and photochemistry. Thermodynamics one is the fourth sem is there. Okay. IR spectra, infrared spectra. Okay. UV, visible, IR, and last is the metal ions in biological system. It's the general topic. What are the metal ions which are used in the biological system? you have to learn in this chapter. Okay. See why I am writing. You may have in the book first page we are having of index, but here my point is, my intention is to select the which is very easy to understand, easily to write the examination. In that examination, see the coordination compounds. Already in the fourth sem, you are already learning that one. You can write why, because it is a very important chapter in the fourth sem. Compulsory a long question, short book there is in the fourth sem. In the fifth sem here, you don't have mostly only short answer will be there. One short. Bonding methods also only short answer one, sometimes a long answer, valence bond theory. Explain the valence bond theory, molecular orbital theory. But the principle of metallurgy, it is a very important, compulsory, one short bit, one essay type question. Means in the 15 marks from this only, 15 marks. Not only the 15 marks, sometimes maybe chances in the section C. Here also preparation of the, that is extraction of the pure metals, that is a thorium or nickel by means of the Mond's process, that will be there. Means this chapter may be chances getting of 35 marks. Only third chapter, third unit. Sometimes if you are fortunate, that means you are getting up a good. Means you are getting up from this only chapter, 35 marks may be chances there. Now coming to the organic part, heterocyclic compound. Already up to now the aromatic hydrocarbons of it is next only heterocycle means other than the carbon and nitrogen, other elements like the nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur will be there in the ring, that is called as heteroatoms. Homo means same atoms. Hetero means similar atoms are present in the cyclic form. Those are called as heterocyclic compounds. That means furan, pyrrole, thiophene. Furan, pyrrole, thiophene. These are the only three compounds are there in the heterocyclic compound. You have to, that is 5-membered heterocyclic, not 6-membered. 6-membered heterocyclic compound pyridine, that it will be there. So you may learn in this. This is also very easy chapter to understand or to practice it. You will get the good. Next, amino acids. Already you know that one. Proteins, you know that one. Vitamins, you know. Hormones. See, these according to my experience, these are two units. Black 1 and black 2 is very easy, very easy. Sorry. So my voice is audible. 3 members are present. Can you respond? Anybody?
Sir, audible, sir. You can continue.
Okay.
Okay, audible, sir.
Right, fine. So you may understand that one. My concept is to getting of the good mark purpose. So out of 4 blacks, you can select your choice. That will be there. Okay. So in that out of 4 blacks, the 2 blacks are very easy. Already you are familiar with it. Coming to the third black, thermodynamics okay, but it's a theoretical matter. Completely theory will be there. You have to elaborate. Carnot cycle means it is a laborious process. This is Carnot cycle. So very 4 that will in the Carnot cycle you are having of the 4 cycles. That means there is a adiabatic process, isothermal process, next reverse process, like that you are having the 4 steps are there in the Carnot cycle. Electrochemistry like that. Electrochemistry also you are having of the photochemistry, that means in presence of the that means light, what happened, the process of the electrochemistry, particularly hydrogen bromide, that will be affected, why it is happened, that will be there. Next, photochemistry, there is the 3 laws are there that you have to learn in the 3 laws. Okay, that will be, you have to take that one in that electrochemistry. That means it is completely the theory part will be there. That will be Lambert's Beer's law, Groth's Dauber's law. You are having of the Stark-Einstein's law, you have to take what is the photochemistry. Now, in the completely black hole is a new topic. It is a totally new topic. Just a minute. Okay, fine. Now coming to the ultraviolet spectroscopy, visible spectroscopy, and infrared spectroscopy. These two or three spectra you are having of that one. Then the fourth topic, that is the fourth black. In that ultraviolet, you are having of the schematic principles of the ultraviolet visible spectroscopy. A schematic diagram is there. You have to draw that one, and you have to derive the equation in that way, and also that will be explained in every way. Okay. Next, we have the selection rules are there, and you have to conclude that one. That is the UV. Next, infrared spectroscopy is there, same manner. Vibrational energy levels in the diatomic molecules, how they are varying. What is the harmonic oscillator? That will be you have to calculate, and also you have to calculate the force constant and types of molecular vibrations, how they are bands, what are the fundamental bands are there, what are the overtones, what are the hot bands, that you have to elaborate here. And also what spectra will be obtained different molecules, that also you have to explain in the IR spectroscopy. And last topic, that is a very small unit, that is metal ions biological system, that you keep as a for the short mark answers. Suppose you out of in this, you may not get the 4 short answers. Here also one short answers will be easily right. Why? Because metals ions are in the biological system. Here important of the potassium ion, sodium ion, ferret ion, cobalt ion. In what biological system they are useful in that one? Why? Because anyhow you are learning particularly vitamins hormones. In that metals will be present. Okay. So if iron is there, iron is anything but the iron cobalt means iron, particularly vitamins will be present in the cobalt. That means cyanocobalt mine. Vitamin B12, iron metal ion is present in the central atom. That will be learned in that metal ions in the biological systems. So that you have to learn in this particular chapter. So my point is in this particularly from out of 4 blacks, you can easily go through the black 1 and black 2. It is very easy to get the good marks compared to the black 3 and black 4. Okay. So black 3 and black 4 somewhat a new topics. Yeah, in this black 3 totally theory, completely theory is there. And black 4 also almost a critical instrumental factors will be there. If you go through the practically, if you see that particular instruments, then only you can easily to understand the what is the concept of ultraviolet radiations or ultraviolet spectroscopy or visible spectroscopy or infrared spectroscopy. Where is use? What is the use of that one in daily ways? How they are obtaining the spectra? Where getting of that one you have to learn in the particular black hole. And metal ions is a small topic that will be keeping up that side. Okay, in the biological system means in our day-to-day life, what are the metals, main important metals for these useful for the our organs to sustain more and more. So these are the main important blacks. You can choose that one important. And 1 minute. Okay. This is about our syllabus. In the core, we are having of the core. These are the syllabus which are present. Now coming to first, we go to the first chapter. In black one, in organic part, we need coordination components. What you have learned actually in the fourth sim, you may having of the complex compounds. Okay, so the complex may be consisting of the having of the metal ion, that is the central atom is a metal ion, and it is surrounded by the ligands. Ligand means the chemical species forming the bond through donation of a lone pair of electrons is called as a ligands. Ligand may be neutral ligands are there, negative ligands are there. Neutral ligands means ammonia, NH3 is a neutral ligand, and water is a neutral ligand, and ethyl diamine tetraacetate EDTA is also a neutral molecule. Ethylene diamine also neutral molecule. On the basis of this one, we are linked with the central atom, that will be called as a complex compounds. So many complex compounds we are having of that one, that we have to remember that one. On the basis of the ligands, you can determine the coordination number of that particular complex compounds. Okay, already you knew, learn in that fourth sem what is the coordination number, what is the ligand nature. Okay, so on the basis of you are getting of the what is the double salt, that you have to learn in the coordination compounds one. What is double salt? That is a more salt, Epsom salt. These are called as a double salt. Double salt is nothing but two compounds are mixing, but the identity does not loses when you are mixing that one. That is called as a double salt. But example is more salt is, and potassium alum is the double. These are the two important examples of the double salts. On the basis of that one double salt, we are getting of the complex compounds. The complex compounds is having of the coordination number. Coordination number is determined with the help of the ligands. How many number of ligands are surrounded with the central atom? That means it is a chemical species forming the bond through the donation of a lone pair of electrons is called as a ligand. So that a bond is formed between the central atom to the ion. That is the we are getting out that one. So exam I know cobalt, that we are doing take the example of unique one. Coordination compounds. That we are using of the hexaminocobalt. This is the complex compound. This is called as a neutral ligand. It is a neutral ligand. Okay. So maybe chance of getting of replace means here the coordination number is present. When this coordination number is number of ligands are surrounded with central atom. 6 ligands are surrounded with this central atom. So that the coordination number is 6. It is an octahedral structure. On the basis of the coordination number, you can determine the structure of the compound, the complex compound. So this is always this one. Sometimes it may have of the here maybe chlorine, maybe ion, extra ion also present. That may be present in the 3 or 5 or whatever. In the Werner's theory, that is a coordination compound one. We are already learned with the Werner's theory. In that Werner's theory, this compound is we are derived that a number of structures. We can draw the structures that you have to learn in that way. Okay, so here the question is not appearing in the examination on this basis. Mainly in that we are having of the determination of the composition of metal complexes. So in the unit one, coordination compounds. Main important is here determination of the composition of metal complexes. So this is there is a chance of getting of them. This will be determination of with the help of two methods are there. Okay, that means slope ratio method. One method is the slope ratio method. Another is the job continuous variation method. Another method is job continuous variation method. One method from that you can determine the composition of the metal complexes. So in your book, the page number 6, it is adding up in your book. Go through that one. So it may be chance of 5 marks question, identification of the compounds. And main important is next one is factors affecting the stability of the metal complex. Factors affecting stability of metal complex. Stability of metal complexes. Here the 4 factors are there. Main important temperature. Temperature also affect the metal complexes. And nature of the ligands are nature of the media. The central atom in which nature will be there and properties of the metal ion. Properties of metal ion. And the 4th factor will be properties of the ligands. These are the 4 factors will be affect the stability of the metal complex. Means metal complex also depend on the temperature, depend on the medium also. In what media, in the solid or liquid, gaseous media, central atom is present. And the property of metal also, when the properties means metals always we are having of the properties. These are having of the malleability is there, ductility is there, sonority is there, lustrous will be there, everything will be there, particularly third 3D group, that means D black elements. That lustrous, that means the property will be showing or not. Sometimes lithium is there. Lithium is the main important. It is a very shining metal. That is lustrous does not affect it with the atmosphere also. And properties of the ligands. Ligands will be already know that neutral ligands are there, negative ligands are there. How they are coordinated with that one. Ammonia is there, neutral ligand. So hexamino cobalt, 6 amino molecules, these ligands will be surrounded with central atom of the cobalt. So that you are getting of the complex compounds. Hexamino cobalt or something the potassium tetramino cobalt, that will be there. So many complex compounds will be there. And so depending on the properties of the metal and ligand also, the stability will be depends. Okay. These are the present in your page number. You are having of the in your book, that will be 8, page number is there. Sometimes this is also question will be appears in the examination. Okay, this is about the first chapter. So only we are expecting the questions from the first unit is the coordination compounds 2 is determination of the composition of the metal complex, factors affecting the stability of the metal complex. Only 2 short bits. These are only the short bits only. Okay. So this is about our first unit. So first unit is not that much of important. What I am saying is only the peripheral you can see that one. You can easily go through the one. This the two are the important areas. Focus on this one. Two important areas: determination of the composition of metal complex and the factors affecting the stability of the metal complex. Okay. Next, we go to the unit 2. Unit 2 is the bonding in metals. So here, the bonding in metals mainly important of here the valence bond theory. The important is very important is the valence bond theory. Here we are explained here in the valence bond theory lithium ion. Lithium. Mainly important of the lithium, how the lithium will be present in that lithium ion is surrounded by the how many number of ligands. Actually, lithium ion is mainly this. It is a the unit cell of lithium is consisting of the body-centered cubic lattice. This lithium ion is BCC, body-centered cubic lattice. Actually, this is the lithium. Okay. Sodium is a face-centered cubic lattice. Like that, lithium is the cesium also is consisting of the body-centered cubic lattice also. Okay. So lithium ion, this ion is surrounded by the this particularly nearest 8 nearest neighbor ions. This particularly lithium ion in this structure, lithium atom, the units are surrounded by the 8 nearest neighbors of the corners of the cell and 6 more next nearest neighbors of the centers. The 6 surroundings means 8 plus 6, 14 pairs of the electrons. 14 pairs of the electrons are surrounded. Pairs of electrons are surrounded by lithium. Means 28 electrons are there. So here actually lithium is the third element is consisting of the electronic configuration is only one electron is present. Only one electron that is also present in the 2s orbital. Only one electron is present. That is present in that one. So how can that one getting off this one? Only here, if you see 14 means 14 pairs of electrons is 14 electrons plus 1 electron, 15 electrons. Only total this particular atom is consisting of 15 electrons. For the bond formation, they are adding off 28 electrons. Here the only they are adding off 15 electrons, but the formation it is 28 electrons are there. So that it is body-centered cubic lattice will be surrounded that one in the lithium atom. This is the valence band theory is explained here by getting of the electrons. That means the formation of like this ions they are surrounded by the other atoms. They formed the and getting of the a link between the remaining other atoms. That means they are surrounded by the 14 pairs, means 8 plus 6. Here, nearest 8 pairs of electron and next nearest 6 pairs of electrons. These are the total. Okay, 8 plus 6. There will be formation. So this is the happens when this particularly formed between the 8 plus 6 electrons will be there. Okay, just a minute. దాన్ని ఇచ్చి దాని మీద మనం పక్కకి ఇంకా చూస్తే అది కూడా వచ్చిన ఇన్పుట్ కూడా 30% అంతే అదే అంతే సార్ అది కారణాల మనకు ఏ ఇబ్బంది పడదు ఏ వాళ్ళు సెక్స్ అయ్యారో మనం సెక్స్ అయ్యారు డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ మొత్తం చేసుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ మాత్రం టెక్నికల్ గా ప్రాబ్లం రావాలి అదే అనుకోండి ఒకసారి అడగండి అంతే So this is about the balance bond theory. So this is one more topic in this second chapter. That means first balance bond theory, maybe chance of getting of the 10 marks question, essay question. Next we are having of the one important is what do you mean by the allies? So allies means what? It is a mixture of two or more different elements form a homogeneous mixture. It is a mixture of two or more different elements form a homogeneous mixture is called as alloy. So brass, branch, stainless steel, okay, bell metal, gun metal, these are all are alloys. Okay, so brass means copper plus zinc, that is a brass. Copper tin is a branch, that we have to remember that one. Brass, these are all are we are getting of the main important of the alloys. In this particularly, if mercury is containing mercury alloy, okay, that is called as a amalgam. Alloys containing a mercury. One metal is mercury. So here you can use either brass, branch, stainless steel, Like so many are there. Okay, these are all alloys. So if alloy, the alloy is containing mercury. Alloy is containing mercury as a metal. Mercury is a one metal. Mercury is a one metal are called amalgams. See, this is amalgam. So if you say sodium amalgam, NaHG example, sodium amalgam. Okay, potassium amalgam. So many are there that will be there. So this is a alloys. What means alloys is a mixture of two or more different elements in that formation of homogeneous mixture is called as alloy. Glass is the alloy, bronze is the alloy. Why the alloys are important is because they are more resistiveness, do not having of the corrosive nature. Okay, due to that nature of that one, alloys are preferred. In this main important is Home-Rutherford ratio rule. That is a very important is the Home-Rutherford ratio rule is asking the question is a repeated question. Home-Rutherford ratio rule. It is asking the question is the Home-Rutherford ratio rule is nothing but we are adding of 3:1 and 21:13 and also 37:4. This is the beta phase, it is the gamma phase, it is epsilon phase. These are the three phases are present in the Home-Rutherford ratio rule. That is 3:1. That is 3:1 means we are consisting of the number of atoms. That will be the ratio of the total number of valence electron to the number of atoms. Home-Rutherford ratio means that the ratio means it is nothing but the ratio of the total number of valency electrons. The ratio of the total number of valency electrons to the number of atoms. To the number of atoms is called Home-Rutherford ratio. Okay, that is this is the Home-Rutherford ratio. It's a beta phase, gamma phase, epsilon phase. Suppose if you are taking up the example, best example, copper. Copper is a pure metal. A pure copper is consisting of the structure is face-centered cubic lattice. This is in alpha phase. See, try to understand here. The simple logic is that Home-Rutherford ratio. Okay, if pure copper is a face-centered cubic lattice, it is in the alpha phase. When you adding of the zinc to this one, small amount of zinc is added. Now I'm making of the alloy, copper plus zinc. Okay, that is adding of the one trace gas is compound. When small amount of added, this one is changes to beta phase. Still some more amount of zinc is added to this one. It is converted to gamma phase. Suppose large amount of zinc is added to the copper. It is called as epsilon phase. So the beta phase you are having of the pure copper is phase centered. When you adding of the zinc, it is converted to beta phase. This beta phase is body centered cubic lattice. The beta phase is the body centered cubic lattice. When you are adding Stilmore's zinc atom, it is converted to the gamma phase. So this gamma phase is distorted phase centered cubic lattice. Is distorted phase centered cubic lattice. When you large amount of zinc is added, and large amount of this is called as hexagonal closed pattern. Hexagonal closed pattern. HCP is formed. This is called as Ohm-Rutherford ratio. Okay, Ohm-Rutherford ratio means nothing but here we are having of explanation will be the ratio of the total number of valence electrons to the total number of atoms present in this particular metal complex or alloy is called as the Ohm-Rutherford ratio. First we are taking out that one. First we are taking out this one particularly. A pure copper is the phase centered cubic acid. It is pure copper is alpha phase. When this pure copper you are adding of the one more other metal, you are preparing the alloy. So that is called as it is a zinc is added. That is phase centered automatically converted into the body centered cubic. That is it is in a beta phase. It is a beta phase. Next we are added zinc is added. It is a gamma phase. Okay. So this a minute. అంతే అంతే అదే పూర్తి నేను రవిని అదే 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 So this is about that one. Okay. So time is off already. 11 that you will see the tomorrow.